Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to get a shell open now, so start with what matters. Press Start and type PowerShell to surface both Windows PowerShell and PowerShell Core. Once done, use Win+X then to open an elevated window when admin rights are required. Make sure to approve the UAC prompt. If you only need a quick session, press Win+R, type PowerShell, and hit Enter. These steps put you into a command-ready environment immediately, so you can run scripts or inspect system state. Once you're in, verify what you have by running PS version so you know addition and compatibility. If you installed PowerShell Core, launch it with PWSH. Using Windows Terminal gives you tabs, profiles, and split panes, so prefer it for multitasking. To work in a project folder, go to File Explorer, Shift plus right-click a folder, and choose Open PowerShell Window to set the current location. Also, check your profile location so you can add alias. You're finishing up. Run scripts using /script, PS1 or import modules with import module, and save any work before closing the shell with exit or the window control. Make sure important profile edits are saved to the path so they load next session. If a script is blocked by execution policy, run the shell as administrator and execute PowerShell with execution policy, bypass no profile command your command. This resolves policy blocks quickly. Use it cautiously, then revert to normal policies when done.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.